Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about what is ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? What can it do? Watch this video to the end and you will understand everything I'm talking about. The ChatGPT is a Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That's the full meaning of ChatGPT. Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It does chat automated jobs. The chatbot has a language-based model that the developer fine-tunes for human interaction in a conversational manner. And effectively, it is similar to chatbot primarily designed for customer service. People use it for various other purposes too, which ranges from writing essays to drafting business plans, generating code. But what is it and what can it really do? It has the ability to understand image and video inputs, generate a response in form of text. Also, and here are a list of things it could do. Firstly, it can write a code. It has the ability to convert your natural language into program language, which is an awesome artificial intelligence. You can easily convert your English words into program language like the HTML, the CSS, and a lot. Secondly, ChatGPT can help you debug any code by answering questions about the code's purpose, structure, and syntax, which makes it so simple. Also, with ChatGPT, you can actually write an article, a blog post, a poem, anything. ChatGPT helps you determine the structure of your paper, including the introduction, methodology, results, and conclusion sections, which does 80% of the job for you. All you need to do is to edit the draft into something that you feel it is perfect. Also, ChatGPT recommends chords and lyrics. In case you're a musician and you think it's not helpful to me, you're actually getting it wrong. ChatGPT can be a very used to you in such a way that is very important. Like, it can help you generate melodies and chord progressions for a song or even generate entire compositions. All you need to do is to input few details such as the styles of instruments and tempo. Then the bot does its work excellently. To make the AI carry out one of these demands, all you need to do is to type the command into the chatbot. I'm sure by now you will be wondering if ChatGPT is really about a modernized form of spirit or even demon. Anyways, that technology. Kindly check out next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, make your minds known in comment section.